go ahead and add a display method to our employee class. And let's say that we're going to print out the first name, the last name, and the salary. You will get a compiler warning. However, the code will still work as expected, but we're going to run into some very interesting behaviors here very shortly. You should be getting a nice little compiler warning saying that the new keyword should be used, which it should be, and all the new keyword's going to do is get rid of that warning for you. It's not going to actually do anything differently.